What's up, guys? It's Brooklyn. Welcome back. Today is a very hot day and we got my dad's friend's truck again because my dad's brakes still aren't working. But my neighbor, John over there, he's fixing it. So my dad has to pay like $100 or something like that. But it's fine. It's worth it for the car.
$200.
Oh, but it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. But my dad's friend Scott, he's really nice and he's letting us use it, so that's a plus. And we got my cat Sunny here, sitting down here.
Where is he? Oh, there he is. Oh, he said hello. Oh, hi, Sonny.
He's a really good kitty.
He's a good boy. Sonny, you want to say hi? No? Okay.
He's such a good cat. And can we get the cats out?
No. I'm not bringing all the cats out.
So we have 3 more cats, but they're inside right now, but that's okay. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell, and make today an adventure. See y'all next time. Bye!